All right, guys, here's kind of part two of what I was saying before about the intake install. Now we're going to install this beauty right here. So this is going to basically make it so my car doesn't explode with the intake, which, you know, is kind of a good thing considering I can't pay for a new engine. Don't mind the car, it's super fucking dirty right now, but whatever. Anyway, so what you want to start out with first is find your OBD2 plug-in right here, and you will find the OBD2 port on the 15 through 17 WRX and STI. I believe somewhere right there. You can't really see it too. All right, so you're gonna reach up underneath there. Sorry, like I said, guys, you really can't see it. And make sure I get it in there right. All right, we are plugged in and ready. Plug in the access port. So, moment. Sweet. So we want to do, take the end of the cable, plug it into the bottom of the access port, and it'll start powering it on just like that. Okay. And then this one here, it's already been unmarried. This was on my buddy's car beforehand, so he did unmarry it properly. So you go install. Let it do its thing here. Turn the ignition switch on to the on position. First time installing it, man. Please confirm that your vehicle matches the identification results. 2017 USDM WRX manual transmission. So you just press enter to continue. And this is where you pick your map. So I've obviously got Stage 1 Big SF 91 octane. And then, now I don't know which is which here. They got version 302 HWG, version, first one. What's up, bud? Nice, good job, dude. So yeah, we're gonna pick this version 302, big stage 1 with Big SF and 91 octane. Press enter there. Turn off headlights, climate control. So yeah, you want to have everything off, climate control, headlights, everything like that to save as much battery life as you can. I just installed an Optima battery, so I should be good to go. So we'll go continue. And this is where it's going to start to install. So now this is going to take a little while, so I won't actually put this all in the video here. I'll kind of just shut it off for now, and then when it gets to about 99%, I'll just go ahead and start it up again. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this, so I hope everything goes well. All right, so I just got done with the ECU. It saved the ECU file. So now it's going to go ahead and upload. I believe this is uploading the new map. So this might take a little bit. Actually, the saving of the ECU actually didn't take long at all. And this one's actually going pretty quick too. So hopefully this is as fast as the other one. And then we'll move on to the next step. All right, so now it's telling me to turn off and leave the ignition in the off position to begin vehicle initialization. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. We'll just go ahead and press continue. The on position, so the access can begin the reset procedure. Continue. Installation successful. Please turn off the ignition key to the off position and at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. So, yep, and this just tells you to remember to install it into the computer. So we'll go ahead and turn it off for 15 seconds. Please put me out. Okay. First startup after the ACCESSPORT install. All right, so here's the first drive with the ACCESSPORT and the intake installed. Actually, really curious to see what this sounds like, because I you know, in my old RS, when I had the WRX swap, I had a blow-off valve on it, and I loved it. I mean, it's just, I know it seems stupid to some people or whatever, you know, but the sound of a blow-off valve and stuff like that just sounds amazing to me. And little man's in the back seat too, and I hope he has a good reaction to this. I hope he has an awesome reaction to this, just like I do. So I'm really anxious. Here we go. All right, here we go. First gear. Ooh, that sounds so good. All right, I'm getting on the freeway here in a second, so I get to hit it. But I'm in the 35-mile-per-hour zone real quick. So, oh, that sounds so awesome. I love it. And you can I can tell right away, even with driving the car, the ACCESSPORT, there's no rev hang anymore. Even just getting going in this car seems so much smoother. It's awesome. Love you too, bud. All right, here we go. We're getting on the freeway, okay? Ready? Ready to hear it? Here we go. Power. Woo! And it backfires. Oh, that's awesome. Right, bud? Yeah. Yeah? All right, let's see. I'm going to hit another power run here real quick. Let's see. Get in this lane here real quick. Drop it down to 5th. And drop it down to... That might be a cop, so I'm going to hold off for a second. Let's see here if this actually gets a little bit like... There we go. Nope, that is a Charger. Here we go. 4th gear. Oh, I hope you guys can hear that, dude. It makes me so happy to have that sound. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. So, install successful. This makes me want to mod so much better, so much more. Full exhaust, J-pipe, everything like that. Oh, I've got the itch again, and this is so awesome. So, once again, I'm going to do another little pull real quick because I'm just so happy with this. Here we go, 4th gear. Full throttle. Woo!
I don't want officers.
Oh no, there's no officers, buddy. Anyway, all right, guys. So that was a quick install of the ACCESSPORT and the Stage 1 tune with the big SF intake. Thank you guys so much for all the support. Like, comment, subscribe. I've got the itch again. This is amazing. So there's going to be more stuff coming out soon, hopefully, with power gains and everything like that. But if I did anything wrong, you know, this is my first time messing with an ACCESSPORT. Please let me know in the comments. You know, hit me up on Messenger, hit me up on, you know, Instagram, whatever. If I did something wrong, please just let me know so I can fix it. But so far, you know, my boy Ron and I, we rode in the car together, and he was looking at the data logging and everything like that, and everything seemed good to go. So I am so happy with this, guys. So thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Check you guys later. Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year, guys. Take it easy.